Morning guys, I'm not sure if you can hear me through this, but I'm outside Kings again. We've got Dave the instructor and also Phil's joining us as well. Today I'm doing my Mod 2 training and I've got my Mod 1 test this afternoon. I'm slightly nervous. Anyway, let's see how this goes. Dave is also going to be wearing a camera on his helmet to try and capture some of the stuff on road, and this will be on my chest, so I apologise if most of the stuff today is just of handlebars, but I'll try and update you as the day goes on. Right, let's do it. What are we on today then, Dave?
What we're on today is Suzuki SV650s.
So we're on Suzuki SV650s. This is the same as what was on for the Mod 1 training 2 days ago. Lovely bikes, and apparently because they're a V-twin, very torquey, and that I would agree with that you could put it in any gear and pull away and it would just pick up. I quite liked it. My wife, however, not so much. Do you think I'm going to pass the Mod 1
Indeed,
today?
mate. As long as you do what you did on Saturday, we'll be fine.
Right, let's see how we go.
Keep turning, keep turning, keep turning. Okay, so first we've got to do is react to this lorry. So, checking it's clear. Move out nice and early. And then we're going to go up to the roundabout and do a U-turn at the roundabout, back on ourselves, please. I did it around this roundabout. That's it. And then on a left lifesaver, signal left. Off we come. Using your horror mirror. So we've got a traffic light up ahead, so what we're going to do is just check our mirrors, what's happening behind. There's a white car approaching the back of the field.
Red light going to pick up.
That's it. Nice red light. Good mirror check. You give yourself plenty of room, for if that car does break down, you can slip around him. Obviously, the closer you get there, Tim, you would keep moving right. Because if you were sat really close to that car where you are now, in that position, you wouldn't get around him. But if you're over to his back wheel to the right,
yes,
you'd be able to get around him. So if you find that you have to get close,
yeah,
sit in a position where you aren't boxing yourself in.
Okay.
So we check our blind spot and off we go. Thing about now, guys, is that both lanes actually go straight on, but if you notice we chose this lane because the left hand lane has to yield to move into the right hand lane up ahead. Just keep an eye on your left hand side. We've got an Audi there. I can't see whether or not they're indicating, so when you set off there, Tim, you're going to have to keep an eye on them, yeah?
Okie dokie.
Nice left side saver, off we go. Keep an eye on that Audi. Yeah, big one. Nice. Roundabout, we're following the road ahead, second exit straight on. So we've been caught by the lights. Just carry on to the roundabout, take the second exit straight on, Tim, and we'll catch you up.
Okay.
don't worry about indicating. Check it his light. I'll just jump here with them the signal. One thing to be very cautious about this turn is that oncoming traffic have priority. The cars that want to turn across in front of us are held by the traffic light, but the ones, so for instance, that I think it's a Corsa, I can barely see up ahead, that car will have a green light the same as us. We are in So you notice you're moving over, Tim, but you're not doing any lifesavers.
Yeah.
So you just got to check it's clear. If you can't see it's clear, use the creep with peeps. Creep out so you can see. So, personally, what we're going to do here is move out into that lane, and when we can't see, we will then go. There we go. Oncoming car, she goes right through mirrors, keep it nice and slow. Once you get a chance, still just switch the indicator off by pressing the button in. The end of the road and turn left at the end. There we go, you check and you go. Left at the end.
No. 0, I'm at the right there today.
That's why we're coming through town. We've plenty of opportunities to do them observations. We're just following it straight on. So all you have to do is keep an eye on your right hand side, look, nothing's come in, out we go. Go to the right, please, Jim. Go to the right, we're going to turn to the right to the next set of lights. Back at this video, Tim, you'll notice your manoeuvre there was pointless.
Yeah.
It was really sharp and abrupt towards the cyclist.
Yeah.
Yeah, so just watch, you'll see I didn't actually really move at all. I was trying to stop you from going into the left-hand lane. Right, so up ahead there, Tim, you'll turn left at the first roundabout, right at the second, please. And then we're turning right here, right.
Hell, that was hard.
That's nice and easy, mate. It's just like riding a bike. Straight up. So keep looking around. Let them sit there stiff there, Tim. Look around, see what's happening about. There we go. There we go. Tim, good lifesaver as well, and nice position, just don't ruin it by tailgating. Hey, very nice. So we are in the middle lane as it so speaks at the minute, yeah? That roundabout has no paint on it, so you're going to have to draw the lines in your head. Use the tarmac joins. You see where this paint is there? On your right, you see the tarmac joins? Use them to determine where the lanes are in the roundabout. You need to keep enough room for a car on your left and right. There it is, 3 lanes. You'll see the tarmac strip there, one on my left here, and one on my right there, look. Following our lane. We're having a signal left, right lifesaver, left lifesaver. There's lanes inside of us. We are taking the next exit off, signposting what is 480. Next exit off. This is a spiral roundabout, guys. You get in your lane and you just follow the lane. If you change lanes and test, you can fail your test. So when you look up ahead there, Tim, especially for you see this lane goes into 2 lanes.
Yeah.
So if you find yourself in the wrong lane on test, go where it goes, don't change it.
Okay, so that's what you're saying about changing lane on the roundabout is a fail, but
It is, yes.
back up there where I found myself in the wrong lane, there I was okay to change.
Where was that, man? Back up on that slip road?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. So here, we just pull it around into the middle there, still signalling right, keep the right and get right. See what that Volkswagen did?
Yeah.
That's a fail.
Cool.
It does, it takes us out to far out, and then we go off into the retail park. And then what we're going to do is keep it on that right hand side, look at that punto. So just slow down, let him in. That's why we lifesaver to the right.
Okay, so we finished, well, sort of finished the Mod 2 training. We're now out the back of the test centre. I do my test in 1 hour, so we're going to do some final prep round here. I'm feeling quite nervous. Dave, do you think I'm going to do this?
Yeah, I believe so. I wouldn't have brought you here otherwise.
That's true. So I'm going to do some final prep on blue. I'm now calling that blue.
Okay.
I'm nervous, man.
Yeah, no need to be nervous. It's all in your head, mate. As long as you do what you know, you'll be fine. Take your time, listen to the instructions from the examiner, and you'll be absolutely fine. Just don't rush. Take all the time you need. Okay?
Right, final practice. The Mod 2 stuff was okay though.
Yeah,
I'll go into that later.
It is. It's because you're not testing today, isn't it?
Yeah.
So-
But in my mind I thought I would be doing an on-road test, and I remembered, no, I'm not doing
Yes.
that.
Your on-road test is for, is it Thursday?
Thursday.
Yes, so we'll be back Thursday for that, if all goes well today.
Fingers crossed. Right, final practice now.
Remember, lifesaver before you turn. Get used to that lifesaver. That's it. Pick somewhere to run over, a leaf, something random. Perfect, mate, looking good. Right, now you're getting the smoothness, start using the clutch again, please. And go left. So why did that do that, Tim? You looked that way, and what did you do with the clutch?
Pulled it in.
Lost drive, so what do you want to do? Good man. Right, do your checks off you go again, please. Come to me, come to me, come to me. Turn right all the way around. Perfect. Turn your head more. Look where you want to go. You're sort of just glancing in the air, aren't you? Pick a target, a leaf, something on the floor. Look at that leaf here, look here. Run it over, look at that, perfect. Line up along the lines. That's it, now lifesaver turn. Perfect, Tim, look at that, very nice. Come to a stop there. So now you're going to do a U-turn and stop at the bottom of that disabled wheelchair, yeah? Yep. Whenever you're ready, mate. Oh, that was looking very nice. That's a pass on test. But did we need the front brake?
No.
No, because where's your foot?
It was on there, but it came off because I felt myself going that way. So I was like, stop!
So if we look down here, you had all the way up to here to turn in. So you still had nearly a metre. Yeah, a metre from your wheels to the curb line. So very nice, you're getting it turned in there. So just watch it on test that you don't stop too far in to the road. So just bring yourself out a little bit. So do the turn the same.
So you don't, if anything, you want to land closer.
A little bit closer, yes.
Okay, because I've been trying to show that I can turn.
Yeah,
tighter.
get the turn like you did. Yeah. And we'll practice a few emergency stops.
Yeah.
So you're going to do these on your own. I'm not going to put my hand up because you know what you're doing. I just want you to go around.
35, right?
It is. You won't achieve 35 in here though. So whenever you're ready, off you go then, Tim. Check before you pull away, not after. Right, Spot, you ain't gonna get any harder than that. Did you feel the front skid?
Yeah.
Yeah, the ABS had to work its job, didn't it?
Yeah.
So, good old ABS fixed that for you.
Is that right?
Yeah, yeah, so don't bring any harder than that. It's just a little bit slippery.
Yeah.
Okay, but no, nice one. Nice stop. Do your checks, go around. Do some more slow stuff, please. Don't do all your good U-turns now, mate. Perfect, come to a stop. Not on the floor. How you feeling?
All right now.
Excellent, should we jump off for a minute? Give yourself a rest.
Right, that's it. Practice over. Time to do the test. Obviously can't film the test, but cut to post test. If I'm crying, I failed. If I'm smiling, I passed. Here goes. So I've done the Mod 1 test, and the good news is I have passed. Yeah! I passed with good score as well. The only point they marked me down on was they called it the worst score, and that's because I went through the speed trap at 47k rather than 50 plus k. So I'm pretty pleased with that. Clean sheet, other than going too slow through a speed trap. I'm sure that will change as things go on. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take the bikes back to King's. Hello, Steve from King's. Yes, I'll be coming to see you. No, I won't. Sam, if you're watching this, I won't, honest. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video, guys. We're gonna ride back now. The next video is when I do my Mod 2 test, which is on the road test, and that's coming on in, well, I do that in 3 days, so I'll try and get the video on as quick as I can afterwards. So fingers crossed, this Thursday, full license. Woo. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe.